Mga boy! Nalaro niyan, pre. Bold! Ano yun? Nanonood ka, bold!
Kanina pa na nanahimik dyan. Nanonood ka lang pala ng bold. Oo nga. Pero ang galing nila, no? Kahit ilang beses nila ginagawa, hindi sila nabubuntis.
Ewan ko. Paano nga ba?
So, paano nga ba? Your future matters, your choice matters. So, let's talk about contraceptives. What is contraceptives? Contraceptives is any methods, tools, or medicine used to prevent pregnancy. It is also called family planning method. So, what are we waiting for? Let's start and find out. Una ay condoms.
Ito. Condoms are one of the most effective and accessible contraceptive methods. This acts as a barrier that prevents sperm from reaching the egg, preventing pregnancy. What makes condoms special is that they also protect you from sexually transmitted infection. It is 98% effective, simple, safe, and always available.
Pangalawa ay birth control pills.
Birth control pills, tulad ng ito at ito. They regulate a woman's hormones. Ovulation is also prevented, meaning egg cells cannot produce and pregnancy won't happen. If taken simultaneously every day at the same time, they are proven to be 99% effective, and they are also safe, effective, and medically approved.
Pangatlo ay injectable contraceptive. Injectable contraceptives are given once every 3 months. This method uses hormones that stop ovulation and thicken cervical mucus, making it harder for sperm to reach the egg. It is 94 to 99% effective and ideal for people who prefer long-lasting method without taking a daily pill. Quick, convenient, and reliable. Pang-apat ay intrauterine device or IUD. IUD or intrauterine device. It is a small T-shaped object that is placed inside the uterus by a healthcare professional. It prevents pregnancy up to 5 to 10 years, depend of which type it is. It prevents sperm from fertilizing the egg and makes the uterus inhospitable for pregnancy, with more than 99% effectiveness. IUD is long-lasting and most available. Panlima ay implant. A contraceptive implant is a small, flexible rod that is inserted under the skin of the upper arm. It releases hormones slowly to prevent ovulation and thicken cervical mucus. It offers up to 3 years of protection and 99% effective, making it perfect for people who want a set it and forget it option. Pang-anim ay calendar or fertility awareness method. Calendar or fertility awareness method. It involves tracking a woman's menstruational cycle and identifying her fertile and infertile days. It avoids intersex course and using protection during fertile days. It avoids pregnancy. It is a natural method but requires accuracy, discipline, and consistent monitoring. It is only effective when followed correctly. At panghuli, tubal ligation or permanent for woman.
Tubal ligation is a permanent contraceptive method for women. Fallopian tube are closed or cut to prevent sperm from meeting the egg. It is 99% effective, safe, permanent, and medically improved.